In this tutorial, you will learn how to work with vCDMstudio. Prerequisite is an installation of vCDMstudio. This video is intended for calibration engineers. vCDMstudio is an editor dedicated for automotive parameter data. The tool is easy to understand and use, therefore there's no training needed. You can directly start working. It's used within vCDM Center and Canapé and can open Inca projects as well. vCDMstudio is also available as a standalone editor. You can use vCDMstudio online with Canapé and offline with an ECU. vCDMstudio offers several features. Dedicated edit of controls like maps, curves, etc. Copy, compare and merge of parameters and files. Parameter format conversions. Extensive filter possibilities. Automation for continuous integration. Reporting to Excel and print. This is vCDMstudio. To open files, you can use drag and drop from the Windows Explorer or open via Backstage, Parameter Set, Open with A2L. It's recommended to open parameter set files with A2L. This enables checking and formatting according to the definitions. vCDMstudio provides a rich internal meta model for parameter data. Simply select the attributes needed for your task. The first column shows all parameter names defined in the A2L or parameter set file. All following columns list the values of the data sources loaded. If a value for a parameter is not available in the data source, this is indicated by a red X. The compare symbol immediately shows the difference between the values. vCDMstudio provides many dedicated editors and display views. Simply configure the view you need. On the left side, you can find the navigation tree. Different filter options are available. For example, compare filters like equal, unequal, or even more complex filters for comparisons. To copy values from one file to another, you can just use drag and drop. It's possible to save a subset of selected parameters in the same or a different file format. vCDMstudio offers additional features like function inhibition matrix, parameter value, rule editor and checker, local dataset management, and in addition with vCDM Center, central data management, a connector to Inca. It's possible to automate processes like merge and copy via scripts.